will go down to 7% as of Friday, which means commercial banks will now lend loans to consumers at 10.5%.
It is our view that this important step or decision is going to provide the much-needed reprieve to many South Africans who are already struggling to make ends meet and to service their debts. But also this step will help to stimulate aggregate demand and ultimately economic growth in the country. But we do want to urge the South African Reserve Bank to continue to be vigilant in the fight against inflation.
Action SA has commended the central bank for its measured and independent approach to monetary policy and says inflation must be kept in check.
While this move is a step in the right direction, we believe a 50 basis point cut would have been more appropriate, especially considering that baseline inflation has remained below or at the lower end of the 3 to 6% target band. Still, any reduction in the cost of borrowing is a relief for South African business owners and working families, and we welcome it.
Labour Federation COSATU has welcomed the decision to cut the repo rate, saying it will help indebted workers and the rising cost of living. But COSATU is also watching the impact of tariff hikes by the US on local exports.
It's also going to help give a bit of comfort and cushioning to the South African economy, which is going to most likely take a hit when the United States announces its tariff regime for South African exports on Friday. So this is a positive news. We've seen inflation falling significantly in the past couple of years. It's below 3%. It's well within the Reserve Bank target range of between 3 and 6%. So this is the positive step forward.
COSATU is also calling on the Reserve Bank to continue on this path over the next few months. The next Monetary Policy Committee meeting on the repo rate announcement will be on the 18th of September. Pulelani Philip, SABC News, Cape Town.